Hello everyone, I am Associate Professor Dr. Li Zhou, and Dr. Wen Su from China. The creative music, Blooming Jasmine, Jasmine Flower, is a traditional Chinese folk song that depicts the fragrance of jasmine and the charm of the Jiangnan water towns. The creative concept explores the integration of this classic melody with the erhu, using the instrument's unique timbre to outline graceful melodies and highlight the structural tension of the pentatonic scale. This fusion reflects the intrinsic connections between traditional Chinese musical elements. Thank you very much.